Watch. Hey, ate, oh. My love. Good morning, guys. We have a ballerina right here. Ate, you have to eat quickly. And milk there. Okay. Come on, eat your food. You have 10 minutes to eat it. Okay? Hurry up.
Why do I have 10 minutes?
And after 10 minutes, we need to go. Okay? So we are on.
Can I do a bit of something?
So we are on time. No, we just need to go. So we are on time. Good morning. Good morning, you all. You want si Kai, guys? Friday pala today. Friday. Hindi pala. Saturday. Oh my gosh. Mommy brain. Saturday today. So, yeah. May ballet si Mia. Oh my gosh. Kai is moving. Baby's still not in the room. My sister will be looking after Kai. He's asleep. He's in our bed. Yan siya, oh. Hindi nakikita yung ulo, but he's in our bed. Tabi kami natulog, guys. So, pag nag 9:30, alis na tayo. Mia, you're not eating at all. You're just watching. I'm gonna turn off the TV. You have 7 minutes left only. Ayun. So, may ballet si Mia today. Daddy is coming back also today. Tonight pa yung, dating niya dito sa Perth. Kasi, 3 p.m. yung flight niya sa Vietnam. And parang, was it 6 hours ata? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7 hours. 7 hours, biyahe niya papunta dito. Direct flight siya, kaya gusto niya yung Vietnam Airlines para wala na siyang stopover. Diretso na siya. It's good. Now, sabi ko sa kanya, make sure you have your stamp na this time kasi kagabi nga, kakagaling niya lang din Cambodia. So, yun yung problem nung una na hindi siya nakauwi nung Monday this week kasi wala siyang stamp ng Cambodia, yung exit stamp. So, minsan di kasi nila na-stamp daw. But, ni-required siya nung chinek nung nasa airport, immigration siguro. Ni-required siya ng exit ng stamp from Cambodia. So, that's why he needs to go back to their province and back to Cambodia para, makuha yung physical stamp talaga. Kakaloka, no? So, he needs to do so many things like mag-travel back and forth from Cambodia to their province, tapos from the province naman to the airport, kasi malayo yung province nila sa city, guys. Sa Ho Chi Minh City, it's like 5 to 6 hours drive pa. So, it's very, parang one day talaga yung, yung travel. Pupunta pa siya ng Cambodia to get the stamp. Mabuti na lang din at meron silang ganap sa Cambodia. So, at least, may ginawa sila dun. And then, he got his stamp. Yeah, and then he have to stay another few days. How many days ba? 4, 5 days sa Vietnam, sa province nila. Pero na ngayon, nasa Ho Chi Minh City na siya. Dumiretso na siya doon after Cambodia. Dumiretso na siya ng Ho Chi Minh City para mamaya diretso na siya sa airport. So, good. Si Mia, excited na makita yung daddy niya, guys. As in. And, happy birthday to me. Birthday ko ngayon. That's why si daddy gusto niya umuwi nung Monday para makaabot siya sa birthday ko. Pero kasi yung Vietnam Airlines, 2 flights lang yung na-offer nila, which is Monday and Saturday. So yung next flight is Saturday. So tamang-tama talaga sa birthday ko ngayon yung next flight after nung Monday. So yeah. Makakaabot pa naman siya sa birthday ko pero mga 10-11 na siya siguro makakarating sa bahay kasi nga 10 yung arrival niya sa airport. But that's okay, guys. And yet later, meron tayong pa-dinner dito sa bahay with my family. So, yeah, yun lang naman.
Kahapon gumawa din kami ng brownies ni Mia. So, yun yung kinakain niya ngayon. 4 na lang natira. Tagal niya na gustong gumawa ng brownies. Wala akong oras, guys. Alam niyo naman, meron tayong baby. So, pinilit ko talaga na gumawa ng brownies kahit umiiyak na si Kai. After nung school niya namin ginawa, si Kai kakagising lang pagdating sa bahay. So, nag-promise kasi ako sa kanya in the morning. Dinap off ko siya. Sabi ko, yes, we're gonna make your favorite brownies when you get home from school. So, agad-agad ginawa namin. Kaya lang, nagising si Kai, guys. So, ayun. Nilagay ko na siya dun sa mat. Tapos, nilagay ko na din siya sa bassinet. Umiiyak siya kasi gutom pala siya. But yeah, anyway. Yeah? Aw, thank you, ate. Sorry?
You know I gave you a present last night?
Why?
Because it was gonna be your birthday tomorrow. Today.
So today, yes.
And Daddy's gonna come back, so I had to give him his present. Because I got Daddy's present.
We get Daddy's present too.
Yeah, I got a present.
Welcome back, Daddy.
Time ago.
Did you say welcome back, Daddy? Daddy's gone for 3 weeks. And we should be there too.
Daddy was gone for 2 weeks.
3, not 2. Supposed to be 2. But then they have to come back, so another 1 week. Dapat sama kami kay Daddy, guys. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw na lang. Kasi ang hirap naman. We have a, like, 3 months old pa lang nun si Kai. So, ayun. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag muna. Kasi di pa kompleto yung vaccine. And then,
Best day ever.
your best day ever. And napakainit sa Vietnam. Yung aking Kai, guys. Tawag dito, ano siya? Super easy to get sweaty.
Do you want to hear my song for you?
Yeah, sure.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Oh, I love your singing. Thank you, ate. I appreciate your singing to mommy. Thank you so much for singing. Very nice man ang ate natin. Thank you, ate. Yes?
Can I give you that present today? I just wanted to show you.
Oh, yeah.
You're not knowing what present.
You have a surprise present for me? Oh.
It's not gonna be the same. I'm gonna trick you with something.
You tricking me?
I can trick you.
Gumawa na siya ng present, guys. That was like, ano yun? Parang, ano yung ginawa niya? Like, drawing siya. Nag-drawing siya, tapos may heart. Hindi ko alam saan ko nilagay. Pero, hanapin ko mamaya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sabi niya, present niya daw yun sa akin. Simple, but, touching. Napaka-touching ng ate ko. As in. Yun yung hilig niya kasi, yung gagawa siya ng present, ibabalot niya sa paper towel, tapos i-open mo, lalagyan niya pa ng mga clips niya sa hair, lalagyan niya para hindi daw ma-open, tapos ako pa yung mag-open, yung mga ginagawa niya, kahit walang occasion or anything, basta may surprise daw siya na present sa amin. Kay, ginagawa niya lahat kami ng mga ganun. Everyday yan. Pag may time siya, pag wala siyang ginagawa, yun yung gagawin niya. Busy siya. Drawing, cutting. Tapos, ang galing niya na mag-cut. Kinakat niya yung mga papers. Kaya yun yung problema. Ang kalat-kalat. Yes, ate.
When I was in school, when Mrs. S and Mrs. Clark and Mrs. Manny were doing some things inside my school, then I was teaching some kids. I was playing teacher. teacher things. And I asked, can I play with you guys? And then they said yes. And I sit it on the chair because they asked me. And then I teach the kids.
You're teaching the kids. You are the teacher.
Yeah, when the teacher
Ah.
was doing some things with the kids.
That's amazing.
I did it so well.
Oh, is it? That's good. Aww.
Mrs. Ed said, oh, Mia. Like that.
What are you teaching to your classmates? Huh?
I was playing the teacher.
You are playing the teacher things. Oh. What are you teaching to them? What are you teaching them then?
I was teaching them like this. No running. Go time out.
Go time out?
Yeah, I was just pretending.
Why you want them to time
No,
out?
I didn't do it real. I just let them sit on a chair because that's the timeout place.
Ah, okay.
That was just only the fake ones. The real one is in the rainbow one. Because
Okay.
that's the place for timeout. And that one is the fake one.
Kakaloka. Sabi niya siya daw yung teacher. Di ko alam kasi na naririnig niyo kasi I have a microphone. Ba siya daw yung teacher tapos pinapa-time out na yung mga kaklase niya kasi siya nga yung teacher eh. Kakaloka ka naman ate.
Mommy, now I'm a real teacher.
You're a real teacher. And dito na tayo. We're here.
Am I a real teacher?
You have to study first to become a real teacher. You know that? And you have to study hard to get your license to be a real teacher. Yeah, Tita Pretty is a licensed nurse. Okay, we're here, guys. Bye.
Mommy,
Yes.
is it your best? Is it your birthday now?
Is it my best day?
Yeah. The chocolate and some sprinkles, and then you just get a chocolate at the top of it.
Diba? Anong pinagsasabi
It's
ng
a
batang
chocolate
to?
fresh cake.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're gonna go pick up my
Mommy,
order,
maybe your
guys.
cake is like this, so you have to just only just vanilla underneath the yellow thing, and then there's some sprinkles on the yellow thing, and then there is some chocolates up the top of it standing like this.
Yeah,
Is it like that?
I think so. But yeah, it's chocolate cake. Can you go sit down na so we can go? Pick up natin yung order ko dun sa gumagawa ng cake. Baking Mama yung name. So let's go, guys. Are you sitting down? Because we need to go now. Ate. Mainit sa
Why is
car.
it so quiet here?
Yeah, hurry up. Sit down, please.
Is it loud or quiet?
Are you sitting or not?
Hello.
Ay. 1,
Quiet.
2, 3, 34, little more. Agay, my hair.
3, 4, 5, 6,
34, little more. Ay, hindi.
7.
Alright. Okay. 16 minutes drive, guys. Alright, ate. Seatbelt. Ang init. Kasi, balot na balot si mami, oh. Mainit lang sa car. Saan ba yung way? Dito pa din yung way. Okay. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you
Did you see the girl in my school?
Who?
Tiana was there.
Tiana?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you said she was there. She said she was the one in my school.
Yeah. But she was there today?
Yeah,
I didn't see her.
she was there too.
That's good. Did you say hi to her?
No, because I'm shy.
What's her name? Tiana?
Yeah.
Okay. Yung classmate niya sa school?
Tiana.
Okay. How do you spell?
She has nuts in her name.
How do you spell Tiana? Yung kaklase niya sa school, nandun din sa ballet. Magkaklase din sila. What are you talking about?
He has Tiana.
Yeah.
She has nut in her name.
So how do you spell her name then?
T, so T.
Mm-hmm. Tiana.
Yeah, in her name.
Huh? T and T?
That's in her name. I'm going to do some syllables now. So, tree.
Tree.
So
So,
one syllable.
that's right. How about Mary? How many syllable?
3, 2.
Good job. How about Mia?
Yeah, 2.
Is that two?
Yeah.
Okay. Angelo.
Angelo.
Mm.
Angelo.
Oh, how many?
3 syllables.
Well done. Let's go get my order.
I want to come with you.
No, just here. Just
I want to come with you.
You don't need to because you're gonna give me it here. Ay, dito na yung order ko, guys. Katabi ko na. So, meron tayong taho! 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 Meron tayong...
Mommy, why are you so happy about your birthday and I'm not even happy about your birthday?
I'm not happy with my birthday yet. I'm happy with the food that I have here because Mommy missed to eat it. I miss eating this one. You know this one? You will like it. There's a Zago in there. I will show you later. Nag-order din ako sa Kohl's online, guys, for click and collect. Pero, akala ko hindi ako makakaabot by 12. It's now 11:20. So, sabi ko yung pick-up time is from 12 to 2 p.m. So, kailangan ko na naman bumalik mamaya sa car to pick up my order. Kasi 11:20 pa lang eh. Hindi pa ready yung order ko. And we're almost home na. Bahay na kami, guys. Gising na si Kai, oh. Gising na ang buboy, oh. Change nappy na siya. Ito yung cake na in-order ko. Medyo na ano pa siya sa car. Nag-move, but it's alright. Ano siya? Mango Bravo inspired cake. And 5 inches yung in-order ko. Pero 6 inches niya man, guys. Halang! Sarap-sarap tingnan. So, I haven't tried this yet. So, try natin mamaya. Again, galing to kay Baking Mama, guys. So, ililive ko yung page niya sa description box. Masarap yung mga cake niya na ginagawa. And then, look, gumagawa din siya cookies. Look at these. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try. Gusto ko na kainin. So, iba-ibang flavor to. I think I have 3 velvet, red velvet, which is these 3. And then, I have 3 Rocky Roads. Ito ata yung Rocky Roads. 1, 2, 3. And then, dalawang triple chocolate. Ito. Yes! Ay, Rocky Road. Baka baliktad. Ito pala yung siguro yung Rocky Road. Ah, ito yung triple chocolate. Yeah, ito yung Rocky Road. Guys! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited to eat them. And ito yung pinaka-excited ako. Tadan! Meron tayong taho! Oh my gosh! Tingnan nyo naman yung lalagyan ni ate. Oh, may lalagyan talaga tayo, guys. Taho talaga, guys, na lalagyan. So, lalagyan niya ng Arnival. And then, dito yung ilalagay yung taho. Ah, look at that! Look at the taho, guys! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo naman yan ang ating pataho. Tayo na talaga may pataho. Oh my gosh. Ay, nako. Sabi ko ito lang sa birthday ko, okay na ako, guys. But yes. Nag-order pa ako ng pang-dinner namin kasi mamaya pupunta dito yung Fambam. Hala, tayo na talaga ang may pataho. Kaya look at our taho. Ito yung mga
ilalagay ko dyan dito mamaya. So, may cup pa tayo, oh. 3 cups. Ito yung Arnival. And then, we have the sago. Ayan. Malalaki yung sago ni ate. Ah, it's so exciting! Ilalagay ko na sila ngayon. Gagamitin ko pa ba yan? Parang, sige, gamitin na lang natin para parang totoo talaga, diba? Yeah. Gamitin na lang natin. Nagutom na sabi? Ha? Ah, okay. So, gutom na na sa... Dahil lang...
Mommy, I'm just gonna get another brownie because Jose ate in my brownie hole.
Okay, you can have some. Lagay natin dito.
Hello?
Look at this.
Ano naman tako? Yung galap ko, yan yung sabi. Ay! Gagi! Di ka kabalo. Baliktad, muli mo ka na diri, pisahiyo. Muling diri ho. Buliin ka man. Amo na ako, kaya rin doon ka galap.
Hello, Kai! Nakatingin lang siya sa akin super serious.
Are you serious? Are you
Yeah, like that. My goodness.
Mukha siya.
Mommy, don't eat too much pizza for us. Mommy, that's a lot. You put.
No, mommy's just pouring it. That's not her cup.
Ah, I'm so excited.
What's that type? Oh, you already picked them all?
No. There's still more food over there.
Ah, karon pa?
There was
Ang
five
pod?
of us.
How's balay niya? Wipe it, Joy. Wipe it.
Can I play cake? Can I play cake?
Sige, what?
You know what? Mommy was using the couple because I wanted to know whatever she knows. I wanted to know like that she only knows everything.
How
and
did
I
you
want
know?
to know everything too.
Is it good? Have you tried it?
I wanna try now.
Anong ginabutan ka na? Ano? Darag sa mahaba.
Hello, Kai! Gutom na ikaw?
Honey,
I just changed his nappy and he
Shapo,
just woke up.
shapo,
Okay. Hello, Kai!
shapo, shapo, shapo.
Oh, hindi ko makadto sa sino. Huh? How did that happen? Ang tangabi? Ang tawa lang to?
Mama, who's that cup?
Sa di mo nabuka-kuha.
Wala man.
I don't know. Oh, nabuka. Oh, nag-go to mommy. Nag-go to mommy. Oh, ano lang, Jerry? Ginatitingan ko lang.
Bigyan
Oh, go to mommy, go to mommy. Go to mommy.
Mommy, what happened?
Go to mommy.
Mommy, what happened?
Wala!
Oh.
Oh my God! Marunong na ikaw! Marunong na ikaw!
Go to Ate Mia. Go to Ate Mia. Go to Ate
Mommy,
Mia.
what happened to mommy? Who is that cup?
It's over there.
Oh, where did it happen?
I don't know. Maybe kasi
Try natin. Bongga naman tong ano ni ate. Palagayan.
Mommy, I don't know how that happened. Tell me.
Ha?
Tell me how
Maybe
that
when
happened.
Tita Pretty put it there, crap.
Maybe one day if anybody
Look guys! Oh my gosh. Nag-try ako gumawa nito last time, pero iba din talaga eh. Iba din talaga yung sa Pilipinas na
So
takot.
sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Yummy, yummy,
Ano?
yummy.
Wait lang, medyo mabasa siya.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh! Mommy, you know who cut this?
Ooh.
Me!
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Mommy, wasn't it a good cup?
Yeah. Di ba kinakuha? Ni pag may basa-basa, kinakuha. Tapos sauce. Dito na lang ako kuha ng sauce. Tapioca pearl. Nakikita niyo ba, guys?
Because it's your birthday party. So that's why you get big from.
Sarap, damn! Sarap! Masarap. Didaskan ako ang sago. Siguro na ko siya kay mainit pa ang taho. Tingin mo so warm kay ano siya.
Sobra lang katamis. Pero sabor niya good ano taho.
Daan ba na add mo?
Sa taho.
I can have one.
Sabor niya.
I have two and you have one. Yes, Daddy.
Nadamuan ko sang sauce abi.
Ilang 9685
965 na.
na 9 million
One I can have.
sa ano.
You convert? I don't know. I'm not good with their money.
Still have.
865
I think that's a one.
9685.
Ang sarap!
Just a individual.
Wanna try? Dali. Sago. Ay, it's your favorite. You eat it in the Philippines.
No, let me just taste it.
Sarap, guys. As in, taho.
Mommy, you didn't.
Ito ba lang ko? Napakaingay. Ang sarap. Guys, napakasarap. Masarap kasi mainit pa yung tofu.
Bra, tulad na ang ticket kung August, no? Pakatulit na or Thailand.
Back and forth na. Ang gibayaran ni Bi.
So, hindi JC, mga ano, kaso hindi basta din, hindi makain. Ano,
Ang gibayaran ni B.
balay,
700 by back and forth.
sa initanan.
Hindi, siya lang.
Isa lang.
Siya lang isa.
Hindi, ano yung pakata sa Pilipinas, sa Vietnam.
Mas barato eh. Kaya Philippines ka nahalin, mas malapit.
Ilang points na rin si JC, ilang Jesus points, ilang pag-pay sa ticket.
Diba, ubos ko agad, guys.
600.
Ara siya sa babo, maglahat siya.
Bukas na yung taang, ano ka dali? Ano na ka dali? Pick up, pagkaon.
Yeah, wala yan si Patos. Hala, napakasarap naman. Yeah, where's your pants?
Thailand, Vietnam, ang budget bala. Maka-luxury, ano na, ano, 3 to 4K, daw po sa nila.
Kay Kay? Kay Kay? Kay Kay?
Hi,
Oh,
I'm Spider-Man. Like,
Come on, dali.
Mommy!
Come on,
Thomas right there now. He's there.
I'm alright.
Oh my god, he can go now.
Wala. Come on, ang laway.
Oh la la.
Come on, dali. Oops.
Hi people. Today, this is my little Kai, and he's trying to roll and crow because sometimes he puts his belly. He puts his thumb on and then he puts his toy down like this.
Come here, Kay Kay.
Oh, not that's the way, that way. Oh, you want to go this way? Okay, come back.
Come na. To mama. Come to mommy. Nagreklamo siya kasi nawala ko yung present niya kahapon. Binigay niya sa akin, nilagay niya dito sa bed ni Kai. Go, Mia. Let's eat na. Kain na tayo, guys. Naglagay ako lashes, oh. Ano yung lashes ko?
Mommy, go find it.
Ito talaga nagpa-lashes. Ako na talaga naglagay ng lashes. My time maglagay ng lashes. Pero yung natira, yung mahahaba na lang. So, medyo mahaba yung lashes ko, guys. Yan. Si Kai kakagising niya lang. Dito siya. Hello, maboy. Hello. Hello man yan ang teddy bear ko na yan. Hello, my bear. Hello lang. Ha? Let's go eat. Kain na tayo, ate. Bumili ng food yung pinsan ni V. Tapos, prepare niya. So, ready na yun sa baba. Andun na dun. Let's eat Vietnamese food. Is that the kalua that's left over? Mia's having KFC. Gising naman siya. Kakatulog lang. Gising lang naman siya. Naman. Aboy. 10 minutes lang siguro daw tulog niya. Kakarating lang namin. So, ito yung binili natin, guys. Drinks. Because we have visitors later. Ay, wala na. Dapat away na pa. Ano yan? Coconut water. Grapes. Ang lalaki naman ng grapes. This, nabili ko to sa pharmacy. Strawberries. Ang mahal yan ng strawberries, ha? Masarap to. Mango crisp. Kasi lata siya. Yogurt. Ano pa? Oreo. Oreo naka-sale for Mia. Cabbage. Ano pa dito? Orange, request ni Mia. This one is, skinless, peeled na prawn. Peeled na prawn. And that's it. Yung mga binili ko for the laundry, na-put away na. That's it! That's it. Put it in the fridge na lang. Ang hirap man mag-haul kasi hawak na hawak ni Mami to. No, hawak ni Mami. Matutulog ulit. Will go back to sleep? Who's that? Kai. It's Kai. Pero antok pa siya, guys. Tulugin muna natin tong batang to. No? Are you gonna sleep again? Ay, so Daddy La lang yan, no? Hello, Kai lang. Daddy La's here? Abaw. Bago lang siya bugtaw.
Dali.
Kapoy na ito kayo nag-ulag. Kapoy na, Kai. Kapoy na. Kain! Chicken, ay hindi, crispy pata and sisig. Kain tayo, guys. Nandun pa yung maha. Taho, tsaka cookies. Ari mga cookies na hanikag. May bihon pa galit. Yan, ito yung cookies. Taho, karon ka. O gusto mo na sa buong? Karon. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Nandito na sila kanina pa. Si Kai natutulog. Nasa taas siya. Si Mia nasaan na? Mia's eating taho. Let's eat maha blanca. Yung taho, konti na lang. Ay, madami pa, guys. Madami pang natira. But yeah, let's give them cookies as well. Tapos may cake pa.
Happy birthday that night.
Ha? That's okay. Oh, we can, eat. We can eat the, we don't need to sing. That's fine. Kai is sleeping. We can't take picture with Kai. Maybe later. Okay, smile bit. Ready? Happy birthday, Mama. Ready? You wanna sing or no?
Oil that splash outside the cup. But now, the
Happy birthday, mommy. 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 Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
Can I blow the candle?
Yeah, blow the candle. Ready? Blow!
What are these?
Brand new car. You cannot open the oil cup running because it's flashing all the oil.
Really, ano?
I don't blow away. I'll try playing with it.
A lot of mechanics. And the
I want to play with it.
We need to eat the cake.
Happy birthday!
Okay, I'm not.
Only one kite here.
We need to eat na. Bye, my love. She's gonna pick up Daddy. Oh, your shoes too. We need your shoes. I'll get your shoes. Sense. Sense. Come here. Come closer.
Spiders, mommy. Necklaces and spiders.
There's no spider.
Take your keys and
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, come here and see. She might take it off when she put her seatbelt.
yeah,
The vest. Just
yeah, I'll put on
let
the
yeah, just put it on when she goes down from her. Very cold outside. Are you gonna sleep for? I think she's gonna sleep in the car. Yeah. You're already falling asleep. Excited to see Daddy, ha? Alright, guys. They're outside. They're going to pick up V now. But I don't think V will be there. Kasi late na ano yung ano guys. Late na tawag dito, depart. Kita nyo ba siya? Ayan siya. Bye, Mia! Put your seatbelt. So, ipipick up na nila si V. Ano pa lang ata? 10 something. Mag-11. Si Mia talaga. Sasama talaga siya, guys. Ganun siya ka-excited nakita daddy niya. Ang lamig-lamig sa labas. Kasi umuulan today. Grabe yung ulan today. Kayo na talaga naka-wide lens. Kanina pa kayo naka-wide lens. Kaya kinuha lang yung pinsan ni V sa car. Ni V. Kakaligo ko lang din, guys. Di ko lang minasa buko. Si Kai nasa taas with my sister.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we